Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can change YouTube profile picture on mobile. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube application and click on your channel icon in the right bottom and click on view channel. So once you are here, you simply need to click on pencil icon and here you can see the camera icon on profile picture. Click on that and you can select any picture from your smartphone. So I'm going to select this one for example, and in the bottom you can see save as profile picture. Once you click on that, your profile picture for YouTube channel will be changed. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.